was a Sunday afternoon in the heat of summer. Choo Choo's mother was working in the kitchen.
Vivian! Okay, you
guys, so this is how it happened. It was not a Sunday morning, it was a Monday afternoon. I decided to go on Pinterest to look for a project to DIY for you guys. I was looking for a simple project, not just a project, just a simple one that I can be able to DIY quickly for you guys. And I kept seeing this hard stuff, but then after search I came across this. Okay, so on looking at this project, I thought to myself, this is very simple, I can do this, go ahead and do this. But no, it came out as an Okay guys, so these are the chiffons I'll be using for this project. I decided to go two different colors, the brown and the red. I didn't want to match colors. So yeah, anyways, the length on the brown is 14 inches and then the width is 59 inches. But then I'll go ahead and cut out two of this. That's 59 plus 59 gives you 180 inches. That's quite a lot. That's going to be more than enough for what I want to use it for. Now the length on the red is 19 inches, so I added extra 5 inches because the red is going to be the other part of the fabric that has the ruffles, the other part of the top that has the ruffles. So and then the width for this is the same 59 inches. I cut out two and joined together to give it 118 inches worth of fabric. The next step I took was to hem the base of the fabric, both the red and the brown. I hemmed it by 1/2 inch. Now working on the brown fabric. So the brown fabric is going to be the parts of the top that doesn't have the ruffles. So yeah, I'm going to create a space now for the elastic to pass through. So I'll be hemming it by 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch. Yeah, so just going to use my safety pin now to pin the elastic and pass this through the brown fabric. And you guys, let's see what the result is going to be. I was done making the brown, you guys, I went ahead to try this on and I actually forgot I was doing a project because this top gives me a good vibe. I like it like this. I want to stop here. This project is supposed to end here, but anyways, I am committed, so let's go on. Back to the red now. So I decided to hem the top part of the red by 2 inches because you remember it has ruffles. Yeah, so this red is going to be the part of the fabric or part of the top, sorry, that has ruffles. So I'll be hemming the top parts by 2 inch, and then once I was done hemming it in, I'll go ahead and place my tape and take 1/2 inch for the elastic. So between the 2 inches, I'll be taking 1/2 inch. That is where we'll be passing the elastic through. same thing I did for the brown, I did for the red. I went ahead to try the red on, and God, this is a top. If I go ahead and add sleeves to this, I am done. But okay, that wasn't the project. The project is for this red to match with the brown and become one. So I'm going to marry them together and make them one. If you can see my face physically right now, I am so scared for the next part of this video, you guys. Okay, so this is what happened. I went ahead to put on the brown first. And yeah, and then I passed my hand through like from the inside. And then I brought the red and I wore this on top of the brown. And you guys just watch. I don't know what, I was confused at this point of the video. I was confused. And I don't know, you guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, it was an epic failure. And I'm glad you guys are here to confirm this. Like, you guys watch this video from the beginning to the end to confirm this. Just